Hello everyone, I am Thamare Chelvi from Tail Tribe. Have you listened to all my stories? Have you subscribed to my channel? Really? I hope you are all enjoying the stories, isn't it? Okay, today we will see one more beautiful story, alright? The story is about the teacher, the Kesavan teacher and his sharp, strong moustache. Do you all have a moustache? No, not yet. Grown, isn't it? Do you like your fathers, uncles, teachers' moustache? Yeah. So, our teacher Kesavan, he lived in a village. His moustache, you know what is the uniqueness? He was a wonderful teacher and also he was gifted with a nice, beautiful, strong, thick, sharp moustache. Have you seen a sharp moustache? Have you touched your father's moustache and seen? Is it very sharp? Is it pricking? Will it poke you? So, this Kesavan teacher's moustache by nature it was growing very nicely. You know, the children used to love pulling his moustache. So, they just say, teacher, teacher, can we touch your moustache and see? The teacher will also say, okay, no problem. As long as you study well, you can do it, you can play with it. So, now whatever he does, how much ever he cuts, it grows very fast. It grows very fast. And also, you know, he tries to pull it down, but it does not budge. It will always grow like this, upwards, sharp, and that too, you know, it is very sharp. So, always his moustache used to be standing like this. Have you seen a scorpion? Yeah, the scorpion, the tail, have you seen? Before it stings, he always carries like this and go. So, like that, Kesavan teacher's moustache also was always curling upwards and it is very sharp. Every day, he loved his moustache of course, but every day looking in the mirror, he will enjoy, fondly he will touch like this, But he felt after some time, this moustache is only black in color and it is only curling upwards. How much ever I try to pull it down, how much ever I try to make some other design like a curl, round, circle, nothing happens. Again it goes on toying, it stays like a sharp, the sting or the tail of the scorpion. So, he decided to give some color to it, isn't it? So, he said, okay, what shall I do? Before, you know something, before any idea, the Kesavan teacher, he wants to think and make a creative idea. Before that, he has to eat dosa. What does he want? He loves eating dosa. So, if he eats one big full dosa, his brain will start thinking. So, he decided today I will go to the shop and buy some masala dosa. What dosa? Masala dosa. Then he went to the shop and ordered one nice big tasty ghee masala dosa. Then he enjoyed eating masala dosa. And then he went and sat in the park. Stomach is full. My brain, he tapped, said, think. What can I do? How can I add a color? Should I paint my misa? No. If I paint, the misa will get, misa means moustache, you know, in Tamil we call it misa. Misa means moustache. Okay. So, he says, my moustache will get spoiled if I do some coloring, right? No, I don't want to spoil my moustache. What do I do? So, he was just, then he said, okay, let me take a walk by the market. Let me find something. Okay, I will get some idea. So, as he was walking across the vegetable shops, he saw the yellow color, nice little fruit. What is that? You know, right? Lemons. So, he thought, wow, the black color moustache and the yellow color lemon will a beautiful contrast. will look very nice, isn't it? And he bought 2 lemons. He came home happily eating nice masala dosa and also buying 2 lemon, isn't it? So, he came home and stood in front of the mirror, told his wife, see what I got today, 2 lemons, my moustache is going to be very beautiful from today onwards. He looked in the mirror and just put some, his moustache is very sharp, right? So, he just put the lemons on his moustache and now his moustache is curled up, the sharp edges, he just put some lemon and it looked very nice. The next day the students were very happy to see. Then you know the name also, name of, what is the name of the teacher? Keshavan teacher. The name now has changed to Lemon Moustache Keshavan teacher, which is LM Keshavan teacher. So, he was very happy. Every day he will just get up, he will just take out the lemon, keep it down and then he will just fondly touch it. Then he will put some nice oil and everything, massage, and then he put the lemon. After a few days, you know what happened? The moustache was very sharp also, isn't it? So, that is why the lemon is standing there. So, the lemon is very sour and the juices start coming through the moustache and into the mouth. It was like sour. Initially it is nice, but you keep on tasting the sourness, the teeth and all will become shy, right? And the lemon is day by day shrinking and shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. So, now he got bored. He wanted to change the setup of the lemon. He said, till now I was having the lemon on top of my moustache, something on top. Now, why not I try something down, but my moustache doesn't bend down, but let me find out something, what best I can do, he was thinking. And you all know that before giving or creating an idea, he has to eat one yummy tasty dosa. You remember last time what did he eat? Masala dosa. Now he went to the shop and he ordered one nice yummy ghee roast with lot of vegetables, something like pizza. So, can we call it pizza dosa? Maybe. So, he ordered one pizza dosa and he ate and ate and ate, enjoyed eating. Then now he decided, last time he took a walk, no, in the market. So, today also he decided to take a walk on the other side of the market. Now, what he found, you know, he found for a change, he bought some brinjal. The brinjal, you know, even for buying a brinjal, you have to check whether the stem of the brinjal is very long, then it will be tasty. So, he went and picked up 2 brinjals and you know the long stem with a small hook. So, he bought the brinjals, 2 nice big brinjals and hanging it on his moustache. Then like that happily singing, yeah, 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 yeah. I got a brinjal moustache today. What my children, what my students must be happy to see me. So, he went to the house, he went to the school and everybody loved this. Last time it was yellow and black, isn't it? Today the brinjal is in purple color. The purple and black, nice, beautiful it looks. So, that day onwards the students and everybody in the village started calling him Brinjal Moustache Keshavan teacher, which is BM Keshavan teacher. He loved every day, he will come and stand in the mirror and like fondly caress, touch and massage and he hangs the brinjal. The moustache is very strong, I told you, no. So, it can withstand that brinjal's weight also, no problem. It is very light for that strong moustache, you know. Then after a few days, it is a vegetable, right, it withers, it became shrunk and it withers and now he decided lemon also few days, brinjal also few days. So now I should buy one vegetable which can stay for a longer time. My moustache is even more stronger, so I can put a bigger vegetable also, but it should be colorful also. He was thinking, you know, right? Before getting an idea, he needs to eat one nice, yummy, tasty dosa. So now he took some money and put it in his pocket and walked to the shop. He walked to the shop and he ordered, you know what dosa today? Cauliflower dosa. He was thinking, I'm eating cauliflower dosa. Can I put cauliflower? No, cauliflower, there are always some insects in that, no? What if they go inside my nose and they bite me, or inside my stomach through my mouth? No, no, I'll buy something else more stronger. So let me eat cauliflower dosa first. So he ate and ate and ate and ate cauliflower dosa, and now he is going to the market. And now he is going to the market. He was looking for a bigger and stronger vegetable. You know what he got? Yes, you guessed it right. The orange color, beautiful, big pumpkin he got. You know pumpkin, right? Pumpkin has got a design also outside the ridges. It is kind of an orangish, yellowish and greenish, all combination. Beautiful it looks, isn't it? So he bought 2 pumpkins and he brought it home, and then coming home, kept it down and looked at the mirror and said, love you, my dear moustache, you be strong and grow very well. And he took the pumpkins and put one this side and one this side. Have you seen anybody hanging a pumpkin on the moustache? But his moustache was very strong. It could withstand that, okay, it could hold that pumpkin very nicely, balancing. And now he goes to the school. So now his name is changed to not lemon moustache Keshavan, not brinjal moustache Keshavan, but it is pumpkin moustache Keshavan teacher, which means PM Keshavan teacher. Again the children loved. It is nice to see the teacher with the pumpkin both the sides teaching. 2 2s are 4. What is this? What is that? And everything. He used to play with the children also with the pumpkin on both the sides. And you know, when he came home, his nephew, a small kid, maybe about 5 years kid, he came home. Okay, he came home to see his mama Keshavan teacher. He was very fascinated to see pumpkin standing on the moustache both the sides. And he said, Mama, Mama, can I touch and see? Uncle, please, uncle, I want to touch it and see. So then he was jumping and playing. He said, no, 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 don't play. My moustache is very sharp, you know. Keshavan teacher was telling him, warning him, but he's a small child, no. So he was jumping and just hitting like that, like a ball. It looks like a ball from down. So he just kept on hitting, and then the pumpkin fell down. The pumpkin fell down. This boy, now I am going to touch your moustache. He jumped and touched his moustache. When he touched his moustache, what happened? He touched like that. Ah, he shouted. Ayyo, amma, paining. Suddenly, he started screaming. You know the reason, okay? Isn't it? So, his moustache is very sharp, because by nature it grows like that. He couldn't do anything. That is why, as a safety, he always put something on that to cover that sharpness. So, the children will not get hurt. So, but this boy did not listen. So, he was very curious, and the sharp edges of the moustache poked his finger and poked his palm, and blood started oozing and he started crying. If it pains, you will also cry, no? So, then they had to go to the doctor, and the doctor had to put some stitches and all that. Keshavan teacher was feeling very upset. Oh no, how come this boy is really crying? It's paining for him. So, what can I make what can I do to make him laugh, to make him smile? I don't want him to suffer and cry. So, what he did? He went to the shop. Now, you know what he ate? He ate one nice, big, yummy, tasty egg dosa. He ate one egg dosa, he ordered and ate it and felt very happy and energetic. And now, with that egg dosa, it gives more energy, right? Full of proteins. The egg is also full of proteins to grow. So, now he went to the market. He said, no, this time I am not going to the market. Let me go to the other side of the street. And as he was walking, he found his friend's carpenter shop. He went inside and said, hey, what are you doing here? He said, no, hi, come, teacher, namaste. So, this is, I am just trying to make one nice, small, beautiful swing. He said, are you making a swing? Yeah, I am very good in making a swing. So, the teacher said, can you finish that swing today and can you give it to me? I will buy whatever money, whatever price you say, I will buy that. But you have to ensure, make the hooks in such a way that it hangs on my moustache. I said, really? Can your moustache holds that weight? Yeah, it can hold because it is very strong. And my nephew, he told the story, my nephew got hurt. I want to make him happy. All the children like the swing, right? So, please make it. I will wait here. Okay, you finish it and give me. And he bought the swing and he came home and he called his nephew, my dear Chandu, can you come here? That is, Chandu is the nephew's name. So, he said, he came running, no mama, it is paining still, you know, your moustache is very sharp. I am so sorry for touching. He said, it is okay, no problem, that will heal. But now you know, you should be careful, right? So, now you see what have I bought for you? I bought a swing and then he put the swing, the hook on the moustache. He just was hanging that swing from his moustache and he made that little boy sit on the swing and he was like moving, rocking like this, and that boy was very happy. It feels so nice. I have never done swinging from a moustache. So, he is very happy. Then he was like, mama, and both the uncle and the nephew were very happily chatting. And the next day he went to school also. All the little children loved to see the swing hanging from his moustache and they called him SM Keshavan teacher. What is that? Swing, moustache, Keshavan teacher. So, when he saw all the children very happily swinging in from his moustache, that swing. So, teacher also felt happy, the children also felt happy, all of them came to school and studied very well. Children and all the parents also, all of us love stories, isn't it? So, this story I have picked it from a story book written by Uday Shankar in Tamil, Mali in Malayalam. So, we thank them also for giving such wonderful stories to us. So, did you enjoy the story? If you had enjoyed and liked the story, I am sure you liked the story, please kindly subscribe to my channel and watch more and more, share more and more. Okay? Bye for now. I am Tamarai Chelvi from Tale Tribe. Thank you.